everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about some different varieties of rice to help clarify for you what they are and how they can be used. We're starting today with red cargo rice. It's a type of non-glutinous long grain rice similar to brown rice. The color can be red or purple or even maroon because the bran layer is left intact, and that's what gives it its special color. It does take a little longer to cook than some other types of rice, so bear in mind if you're cooking red cargo rice to follow the directions on the package and make sure you cook it long enough. When cooked, red cargo rice is firm, chewy, sweet with a nutty flavor. It does have a chewier texture than jasmine rice, and it pairs well with curries, fish, meat, and goes well also with stir-fried vegetables. Rosematta rice is grown in India and has a yellowish red grain. It has a robust, earthy type of flavor all its own. It pairs well with meats like lamb, beef, and game, and it cooks well in slow cooking stews and curries. Now, most of us have heard the term sticky rice or glutinous rice. We may not know for sure what that really is. That type of rice is usually grown in Asia. Despite its name, it does not contain gluten, the protein that we find in wheat in there. The term glutinous refers to it being sticky. It's very starchy, and when it's cooked, it clumps up and sticks together. And this is why they like it so much in Asian culture, because they can pick it up easily with their chopsticks when they go to eat it. It's usually served in sweet and savory preparations like rice pudding. It can also be soaked in sweet coconut milk and served with fresh mangoes, and also pairs well with sesame shrimp. All that sounds good. And then we have sushi rice, which is brown or white Japanese short grain rice, so it's going to have a high starch content that's going to also make it clump together, so it's great for being wrapped in sushi, and it also works well in rice pudding. Well, I do hope that this helps to answer your questions about these types of rice, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.